Alright guys, so this is a Perego RZR 800 and I got a message about somebody saying that the radio doesn't work. Well, guess what? This one doesn't work either. You try to turn it on, nothing. So this doesn't run off the 24-volt battery pack. You actually have two AA alkaline batteries in here. So this is all you got to do is you put your hands underneath here, you pop it out, and that accesses the battery door. Pop out your batteries. Pop in your fresh batteries of your brand choice. Confirm that it works. The clock's on. That's the lovely static sound of the stock battery. So you just put your battery door tray back on. Tighten it carefully if you're using power tools so you don't strip it. Tuck in your antenna wire. Pop it back in place. Now you got a working static machine.